All right, we're going to look at how to update data in our table. And it's only going to take a few of these before we're going to get to the point where we actually have a system that can interact with data effectively. So update, again, an update statement takes update, a table name, and the things that you want to change. And this list of set things is separated by commas. So that's a list of things you want to modify. And you can use values in the column itself for that modification, where some expressions. So you don't have to update everything. You could update 1 row, 0 rows, every row in a table. So the first thing we want to do is take a quick look at what the data is in the table itself before we update anything. In this case, I still have select star up here from the table, and that would be this stuff. So this is the data we have, and we're particularly interested in fixing 1 row. You'll notice that we put 1 row in wrong. That's that guy right there, Bob True, without capitalizing them. Fortunately, we can get to just that row to work on it. So we want to run this update statement. Update name list and set those values. And when we do that, we're going to find 1 row in there that it's going to update. Let's take a look at our results. We see that we've gotten back exactly 1 row that we updated, which is what we're expecting, and that it was successful. And now if we go and we select star from that, you'll see that yes, okay, Bob True is now down here at the bottom, but the name has been fixed so that it is not the way it was. It is fixed with upper lowercase. Now it turns out that you'll notice that it moved from the top to the bottom because in the process of doing the update, the database is doing a major thing for you called acid compliance, which is preventing data from different sources from seeing the update until it's committed. In our case, it was committed immediately. But that means that there is a period of time when the old data and the new data exist, and it's actually writing this row with the new data in, but it's writing it into a new location in its internal representation of the data. So for a certain period of time, the old data still exists, and people could still see the old Bob True that was misspelled. Well, not misspelled, but miscapitalized. And that process called acid compliance is hugely important for being able to get correct results. And I cannot stress that enough. That is a really important thing. But we can now change data in our table and fix things if we can get to the specific row we want to fix, or a specific set of rows.